Once upon a time, two brothers, Henny and Sammy, started two identical companies producing and selling the same products. They always competed for the same clients, and today a client, Mr. C, has decided to give them both a try through one order for each of them. On their way back to their offices, each was thinking to himself, "My factory or business is better. My way is smarter." Henny and Sammy started working diligently to meet their deadline and satisfy Mr. C to win all his future business. Henny comfortably completed and delivered his order on time at the quality level requested by Mr. C, while Sammy struggled to meet the deadline and quality specifications. Back at their offices, Henny thanked and congratulated his team with the best news that they had made a handsome profit, while Sammy spent the evening with his team, each blaming the other for the much smaller than expected profit, although their selling price was higher than Henny's. Over coffee, the two brothers started discussing what happened and how their companies operated in different ways. Henny happily explained to his brother how his company starts by producing a sample and approving it from the customer. And the key to everyone's commitment to quality, cost, and delivery, time and quantity, is communication and more communication of company targets and goals, as well as daily discussions of results, lessons learned, updated plans, next steps. Just as important as communication is people respect, development, and empowerment. They work on preventing problems and designing loss-free processes. Everyone takes good care of his process and monitors his cost and process quality to do things right the first time. Henny explains to Sammy how he monitored their progress with all his departments and planned for their open and incoming orders by discussing graphs, named order status, financial margins, target cost status, quality, efficiency, inventory, lead time, people engagement, safety, and more. We do loss analysis assessment and offer workshops. Contact us to discuss more on the potential losses and tips and tricks to overcome them. Symbios-Consulting.